Guy Fawkes.
Hey Guy Fawkes, I want to learn how to draw Kourtney.
You want to draw Kourtney, the person who created me? Okay, here goes. We'll start with 2 circles for her eyes. Then add dots for her pupils. And then some eyelashes. Just a few lines coming out of her eyes. You can draw as many as you like. Next, a simple nose. Just a basic U shape. And then a big U shape underneath that for her lovely smile. For ears, I'll draw a C shape on this side of her face and a backward C shape on the other side of her face. Then I'll make a line that comes down around her smile and back in and down to her neck. Then do the same on the other side, but this time in reverse. Oh, I forgot her eyebrows. Just a couple of small, slightly curved lines. There you go. Then her hair. It's very straight, so I'm going to draw a curve this way and then a curve that way to show how her hair lies on her head. Next, I'll draw a swoopy curve above her face that comes around down behind her ear and then 2 lines below her ear. Kourtney usually tucks her hair behind her ear so it won't get in the way when she's drawing. And then the same on the other side of her head. Now her body. Let's start with the V shape to make her shirt collar and then a larger V shape around that. I'm going to challenge you to draw Kourtney holding a giant pencil. We'll start with a hand here, first the thumb, then a lowercase w, that is double, a double W. Those are her knuckles. And then a curve to join the 2 up. There's her first hand. The next hand starts with a loop. Then we add 3 more to its left and join those up underneath with a curvy line. Only 4 fingers? That's right. We can't see her thumb because it's holding the pencil from behind. Now the pencil. 2 long lines behind those hands. And a squiggly line connecting them. Then 2 lines coming together to make the pencil point. Don't forget the other end. More lines. Connect those together in a line. This will be the ferrule of the pencil, which holds the eraser in place. Once the pencil is finished, you can connect Kourtney's hands to her collars. Then add lines for the inside of her arms. Then you can draw a rectangle shape behind the pencil for her shirt. For her legs, you can draw 2 long rectangles coming down. And then finish with some loaf-shaped shoes. With 2 lines for the shoelaces. And there's Kourtney. Doesn't she look fantastic? Happy drawing!